Welcome to Mission to Mars. It's the year 2059, and Mars is no longer a strange planet. Over 100 scientists now live on the red planet and are planning for full-scale colonization. This remote outpost brings dangers in many forms. Your mission is codenamed Launch Code. The computer system reveals that the Martian base camp is empty. An emergency rescue mission is put into place and a team is assembled to carry out the mission. For 5 years, a team of 100 scientists has built a colony on Mars, focusing on exploration and terraforming. Each day, the Mars explorers need to contact Earth's mission control to give a status update. It's been 16 days since their last call. For some unknown reason, the connection has been lost and the last message that was received was only partially transmitted. Your objective is to launch a mission to investigate and help scientists on Mars. For this, a crew will embark on a spaceship and liftoff is planned in 26 minutes. Your team need to type the launch code into the system in a maximum of 26 minutes. If you fail, the mission will need to be aborted and the launching window will close for 2 years. To start the game, we'll provide you with a URL link. Open this link in Chrome. Other browsers may not work, so make sure you use Chrome. Type your name in the box and press Enter Game. You are taken to your team room. You will see your teammates listed on the right hand side. When the game starts, each player will receive different pieces of information. When you think you have one sequence right, one of you can type in the specific field. If you change your mind, you'll be able to modify it before you submit the final code. The password to access the system is formed by 5 sequences of numbers and letters, each sequence being the answer to one question. To find these answers, you'll need to work together as a team, communicate with each other, and put together all of the clues. If you require assistance at any time, you can click on Call the Trainer button on your screen.